Okay, so good day everyone. Right now, I just want to give an emphasis prior to the formula and even to the description or meaning of percentiles. So, percentiles, as stated here, are values that is divided or separates a set of data into 100 equal parts. And we can use the piece of 1, comma, piece of 2, piece of 3, piece of 4, going to piece of 99. So, or since this is divided into 100 equal parts, then we have assigned formulas for percentiles. Okay, we have the formula for ungroup, and on the right side the formula for the group data. So for the ungroup, p sub k is equal to k all over 100 times the quantity of n plus 1, while for the group data, we have p sub k is equal to lower boundaries or LB plus open close braces kn all over 100 minus uh, the less cumulative frequency below, or the less CFB, all over the frequency sub pk times the I, k times the I, or the interval. So before you add to the lower boundaries, make sure you already done with operating or calculating the number inside or the values inside these braces. Then next, to multiply it to the interval. Then that's the last thing to do is to multiply for the to add for the lower boundaries. That's the last thing to do. So to add to our lower boundaries or LB. Okay, so while here the formula of ungroup data, okay, you operate first the one that is in the parentheses. Okay, then multiply to the numerator, then divide to the denominator. Alright, so you can apply the PEMDAS or the BEDMAS. Okay, so that's all. This is for percentile. Okay, so hope you learned. Okay, so percentiles are divided, are set of value of distribution that divided into 100 equal parts. Okay, so that's it.